Hey, our friends, Taylor and draw Capybara swimming.
We hope you're gonna follow along with us. This is what our drawings look like at the very end. We've already drawn Bean before eating watermelon, and I thought it would be really fun to draw him swimming
Yes.
with a snorkel underwater.
Yeah.
And we're gonna use our markers to draw and color with, but you can always use whatever you have. All right, ready to start?
Let's do it.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. First, let's draw Bean's nose. We're gonna draw two little, they can look like watermelon seeds or raindrops. We're gonna draw one to the left and one to the right. Then we're gonna draw Bean's mouth, and we're gonna draw first a straight line down in between the two nostrils, and then we're gonna turn it into the letter J and a backwards J. Yes, okay, now we're gonna draw his eyes. We're gonna draw a circle and another circle, the same size. And then we could draw the highlight inside. I kind of drew my eyes spread apart, but I like that you drew yours closer together. I wish I did that. And it's okay if our art friends' drawings are different too, right?
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, and I think it's cool if you do change it on purpose. Mm-hmm. You can add different things. You got it?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, now we're gonna draw Bean's little mask, swimming mask, snorkel mask. We're gonna start by drawing the side curving down, and we could draw the side curving down over here.
Mine's a bit smaller.
Yeah, I like it. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the bottom of the mask. So we're gonna go under the eyes. We can even match the same on the other side. And then we're going to connect over the nose and back down on the other side. I like that we drew Shelly too, and she was swimming.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're drawing Bean swimming. And then we're gonna draw the top of the mask going across the top. Now we can draw the inside of the mask. Let's repeat the same shapes, and we're gonna draw it smaller, but inside, and just go around the whole thing. So we'll go a little faster. If you need more time, you can always pause the video. We're gonna trace around and try to keep the same distance all the way around. They kind of look like funny shaped goggles because a capybara's nose is big, so it's got to fit over it. Mm-hmm. Okay, and then we can draw a rectangle shape on the left and also over here on the right. My drawing is gonna get huge. Okay, now we're gonna draw the top of our little capybara. And we're gonna draw a big upside down rainbow line, but in the middle we could stop for his little hair. We're gonna draw, I think that's the same that I drew for Bean the first time. His hair's wet though, or fur is wet, so it could be
Oh
different.
yeah, it's like floating.
Yeah, it's floating. Then we can draw his little ears. We'll draw an upside down U on both sides. I'm drawing him so big, he's gonna fill up the paper. And then we can draw the inside of the ear on both sides. And then before we draw the rest of his head, we're gonna draw his snorkel. So here, let's draw a curve coming out on this side. And then we're gonna keep going around. We're gonna come all the way over to this side. And then we're gonna curve up, but look how I'm leaving some distance next to the mask. Yeah. I like that you have even more distance. So here we're gonna come about halfway, and then we're gonna just trace around the same and curve up. And mine's closer to the mask, but you can leave extra space if you need it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, because if
That's
it
okay.
wasn't connected, it would just be wobbling.
It's wobbling. You could connect it, add a little thing, and then we could also add two lines here. You could add two little lines connecting. Yeah, like that. Oh, that looks cool too. And then you could add two more lines on the snorkel holding it. Then it doesn't go crazy.
Yeah.
We can draw the other side of the snorkel going into his mouth. And we could add more details. Let's add two lines here. And let's also draw a little top to our snorkel. So I'm gonna connect at the top And then let's add another rectangle up higher. Now we can draw the cheeks. Mine's getting so big. We're gonna draw the cheeks coming out to the side. And this one kind of goes behind the snorkel. So maybe just a little bit you could see under here. Yes.
Mine's small.
I like it. All right, now let's draw his arms, and they're gonna stick out to the side. So we're gonna draw a big, or sideways, kind of diagonal letter U going out to the side, and then these are his arms. Well, actually his legs, but he has 4 legs, but these look more like arms. And then one coming out here. He's swimming towards us. Then let's add 2 toe lines or finger lines. And then we're gonna draw his belly. We're gonna draw it curving under. I'm gonna turn my paper sideways a little bit so it's easier to see. And then up to the other side. And you could, when Hadley drew Bean, she drew Bean as a girl, so drew a girl swimsuit. And if our friends want to change it, they could. They could add straps going over the shoulders. But we're gonna draw 2 boys, boy swimsuits. And then we're gonna draw the swim trunks coming down. And then we can draw the bottom of his body, just a short line here. And then I'm gonna draw this coming down just past that middle line. Yeah, and then right here, we're just gonna draw 2 short lines. And then we're gonna draw a curve connecting both sides. Yeah, and then we gotta draw his little feet sticking out of the bottom. We're just gonna draw letter U's coming out of his shorts. And then the toe lines, 2 of them on both feet. We did it! We finished drawing Bean, and I love yours so much, except we still need to
Color in.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. But I think it would be really cool if you change the colors.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to speed things up?
Let's do it.
Austin, we did it! We finished coloring Bean, and he looks awesome.
Yeah, I like how he's swimming.
Yeah, I think we need to draw Bean more.
Yeah, we do.
Doing different things.
Yeah.
Maybe building a sandcastle.
Yeah.
Or playing volleyball. Sand volleyball.
Or soccer.
Oh, soccer would be cool too. Like we mentioned, you can pause the video to match your same coloring. I like the yellow spots that we added to the shorts.
Oh yeah, but you could change the pattern and even add fish.
Oh yeah, you could draw lots of things in the background.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Bean.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. I'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.